Now we can see regarding the nursing manuals. It is a good practice to compile all the rules guidelines concerning the management and procedure in a manual that can be made available for reference. If you see it in our hospitals, we have procedure manual where all the policies and procedures are printed. These directives generally fall under the following three headings: procedure issued by the administrative office and referring mainly to regulations. This is essential for maintaining discipline. Procedure manuals, example, lab procedure manuals, nursing procedure manuals, unit procedure outline, and the procedure to be used in the unit. The contents of the manual, particularly in relation to the specific procedure, will be more acceptable if compiled following a group discussion. It is important that the manual should be kept up to date and all procedures should be removed when new materials are used. Next is the standing orders or nursing protocols. Standing orders are specific instructions regarding the treatment for conditions that nurses and other health workers may encounter in home, school, and industries where a doctor is not readily available. The standing orders are intended to provide treatment only in emergencies, and temporarily in the absence of a doctor, they should be limited. Purpose of standing order: to meet emergency situation in rural area, to deliver care at home, school, and community, to provide temporary treatment in the absence of a doctor, to promote health services in the community. General standing order instruction. Standing order instructions should be issued jointly by an authorized medical office and nurse or a committee with a nurse representative. The community health nurse working in rural areas may be only qualified professional person readily available in the family, so standing instruction must be used with caution and discretion. Standing orders are these to promote health services in the community. The medical officer is legally responsible for issuing standing orders. They reduce danger in acute condition. They create a feeling of responsibility among the members of the health team. Every health service should issue standing instruction to meet the health needs of the area. Role of the nurse in standing orders. The community health nurse should be skillful in recording the history and in physical examination in order to detect abnormality. The community health nurse should be prompt in detecting appropriate action for particular situation. The nurse should maintain a record of vitals and other care given to the patient. The nurse should have thorough knowledge to identify the actual problem of the patient and to plan appropriate nursing intervention. The nurse should intervene with services according to the given community standing orders. The nurse should develop a good therapeutic relationship with the individual and family. The nurse should use referral system if possible. The nurse should inform the health officer immediately if there is a communicable disease. He or she should keep the medication safe and ready to follow the standing orders. He or she should ensure a safe and healthy environment for the patient. Recording and reporting is essential part of community health services. Specific standing order. These orders are meant for trained medical personnel, mainly the nurses. Technical knowledge and specific skills are required to implement these orders. Giving care at home, injections, oxygen therapy. General standing orders. Owing to large population, vast geographical area, and the shortage of resources, some standing orders are used to propagate healthcare messages to the masses. Preventive measures against AIDS. Advantages of standing order. Community standing orders provides timely treatment during emergencies. They enhance the quality and activity of health services. They provide a feeling of confidence and responsibility in the nursing staff and other health workers. They help decentralize the health responsibilities. They help to strengthen the primary services in the community. Thank you.